those people that cut your hair or dyed once you were going through something traumatic or just needed a little bit of change, because I decided to relax my hair a year ago and today we'll be doing a top up.
Hey, it's Jules. Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome.
Okay, let's get into it. I always start anything I'm doing on my hair with parting my hair into 4 parts. They might not be the neatest parts, but it has to be into 4 parts. While I'm doing that, can I just rant about automatically becoming your own hairstylist once you move abroad? 6 years ago, I was a relaxer girly, but because it was so difficult to find somebody to make my hair, I decided to go natural. And going natural meant that I was doing my research and being gentle with my hair, and it was one of the best decisions that I ever made for my hair. But it just became too difficult to manage, and I know everybody says that, but to be honest, mine was literally giving me headaches, and that was one of the reasons why I decided to relax my hair. So right here I am just sectioning my hair into smaller pieces just so I can be able to see where the undergrowth stops and ends, and the relaxer doesn't touch the already relaxed hair.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up, say anything.
All because of you, I've been on the phone all night long. No be smart thing way you do to me.
When I'm down, we're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the
I almost forgot to mention that I applied coconut oil at the tips of my hair for extra protection. Then I go in with petroleum gel around my head and also on my ears to prevent any burn. I haven't burnt my skin since I started doing my own hair, but I have traumatic memories from going to the salon when I was much younger. Some would tell you to wait until your hair is well relaxed even if you're in pain, but never again. For this touch-up, we're going in with the Motions Professional Hair Relaxer, and I try to avoid the already processed hair when applying it. I also try to avoid my scalp because, like I said, I'm not trying to get burnt.
yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway, we just sway. Don't stop now. We're like the riddle in the sky. Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up, say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we
Once I'm done applying the relaxer, I untwist my hair and apply some of that relaxer to my edges, making sure that that's the last place I apply the relaxer because they process very quickly. And then I comb my hair thoroughly. Because I still like the full look, I let my hair process for exactly 8 minutes and then I go straight to wash it. I make sure I wash it until the shampoo runs white, so you make sure that all the relaxer is gone from your hair before you go ahead with the conditioner. For this wash, I'm using the Motions Neutralizing Shampoo with my head tilted forward because I don't like the relaxer touching my skin. After that, I go in with your Moisture Plus conditioner and I apply that thoroughly on my hair and make sure that every strand is coated with it. This is what we have after the conditioner. Honestly, it came out exactly the way I like my hair, with a little body. I wasn't going for the bone straight look. And that is how I get my hair to look full even though it's relaxed. So I let it air dry for a couple of minutes before I go in with my blow dryer and heat protector. Do not forget that that is a very important part, because the heat protector would reduce the damage to your hair while using heat. I also realized that I need a trim, but I'm not equipped to do that, so I'll leave that until I go to the hairdressers. I can't remember the last time I had a trim though, because I don't know, I don't think they're that important, but we'll see how I feel.